I'm Destin, and this is IGN News. After a decade of being blind, a 68-year-old man from Minnesota is now able to see again. Alan Zerad started having serious vision problems around 20 years ago due to a condition known as retinitis pigmentosa, a degenerative eye disease which affects the retina. The condition went on to end Zerad's professional career as a chemist when, 10 years ago, he was declared effectively blind. While unable to see anything other than bright light, Zerad continued his hobby of woodworking by developing his sense of touch and spatial relationships. Raymond Iezzi, Jr. MD, a Mayo Clinic researcher and ophthalmologist, had been working on the Second Sight Argus II retinal prosthesis system when he reached out to Zerad, suggesting that Zerad could be a suitable candidate for a bionic implant. During the process, Iezzi fitted 60 electrodes into the eye of Zerad. The electrodes work by interacting with a special camera attached to Zerad's glasses and a separate computer pack capable of sending information to the electrodes embedded in Zerad's retina, which then sends signals straight to the optic nerve. Following the implementation, Zerad, a grandfather of 10, explains the process in simple terms. While he can't make out detail, he can now make out shapes and outlines, effectively allowing him to be able to see his wife and family for the first time in 10 years. For all your weird but heartwarming tech news, stay tuned to IGN.